Oh, snook drag. Over here. Yeah, what is that? Is that my fish?
Huh?
Is that my fish?
What? I can't hear.
Is that my fish that splashed? Redfish.
Yeah, it runs like a red.
It hasn't hit the top either.
Oh, I see him. Yep. There he is. He's big.
It's a red. It's a trout. It's a red.
There's your second one.
I think it's a red.
Can you hold him up?
There you go. That'll be easy to untangle, trust me. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Yeah. Keep calm and don't panic and you'll catch him. Alright. 24, 25 incher. I'll keep him to get myself a redfish on board. Is that a red? That's a red. Yeah, that's a red. Tied on. I'm not gonna bet the phone is. Right there. Not bad. Not bad. I think it's a red. Wait, it's going. Red. That's red though. Nice red.
Big one.
Then they come to the red. Back out of here. I love how you can just sight fish them at the top water. You see them bust, you go to them and they eat it. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep them in. I saw him in there.
Yeah. Nice teeth. You mean that?
No, I don't want to go up the double. 5.5, maybe 6. Not a bad fish. It's worth it to weigh in. You know? I'm not really sure. It's a big fish.
Yeah, he's a big fish.
There's a red that was falling too. It's so sick. Out of my trolling lure. There you go. red. I hope that's not over slot, because that's a tournament winner. Jeez.
Oh, he is big.
Jeez. I think that's a slot too. My baby. Please be slot, because he's about 7 pounds.
Is he really?
Yeah. 6 or 7. I think he's slot too. I'll have to measure him. If he's not slot, he's 26 something. Or he's 28 or something like that. I think he's slot though. He's barely up. Not as big as one yesterday, but still. Fish.
I love that.
Barely hooked. Right, bud? Barely hooked. That's what we saw over there.